Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1101 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. That is the doorbell. Obviously that's the room number. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. You have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power right there, together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. We have a light switch right there, power outlet down below. Right there we have the laundry stuff, in-room slippers, bathrobes, hangers. We also have an iron right there with a torchlight, an ironing board, an umbrella, an extra pillow right above, storage right there, place to put your luggage, and storage down below. In this drawer, we have the in-room safe, which doesn't seem to be... Oh, it is working. No idea why it's showing that, but... Okay. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, to the left, we have drawers for storage, as well as shelves below the drawers. A bin right there, towels in the middle, sink, tissues, power outlets, a mirror, another mirror above the sink with lights on either sides of it, soap, body lotion, hand towels, and all the bathroom amenities are in that drawer. We have a towel right there. And here we have the shower area with the shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower as well as the rain shower. We also have hooks right there and right there. A mirror in the middle. And behind this door we have the toilet with toilet paper right there. We have the bathtub with a towel right there, bath mat, and opposite the bathroom we have a mirror. Further inside we have a place to hang your coat or suit, light switches, pantry area with all the tea and coffee making stuff, coffee machine, bottles of water, power outlets, a mirror. Here we have glasses and mugs, more glasses, and down at the bottom we have storage with a kettle. Here we have an empty fridge, so you can store your own items in there. On the right bedside table, we have storage below. Here we have the TV remote, writing materials, in-room telephone, power outlet, climate control panel, the various light switches. There's a light, and there's another light strip behind the headboard. Here we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. A sofa-like thing in front of the bed. And opposite the bed, we have a flat screen LG TV. There's a bin down there, desk area with the desk chair, desk light. Here we have a table, a sofa, and on the left bedside table we have storage below, a light, power outlet, and more light switches. Down below we have storage, And right here we have a couple of power outlets together with a HDMI port and a USB-A port. As for the view, we can see the office building next to the hotel right there. We can see the pavilion development opposite, and we have pavilion Damansara Heights in down below right there with the Tesla showroom. We have the huge car park next to the hotel, and you can also see all the buildings in the distance. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1101 at Sofitel Kuala Lumpur Damansara. Thanks for watching and goodbye.